Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. How do you guys like my new intro? I personally love it, and I figured out how to put it in DaVinci Resolve, editing software, and honestly, like it's sick. It's super easy to put in. It takes like 2 minutes, which is awesome. We're gonna jump right into HBAR. We still have that price target of 50 cents, 55 cents to be exact, but we have to first hold this level of 19 cents, a little bit over 19, a little bit over 19. But this is a key level that we have to watch out for. Let's go ahead and zoom in here. Again, boom, 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 boom. This is not looking good because this is an ascending triangle or a descending triangle, which is not good at all. I mean, again, this is just an ABC pattern. I'm going to go ahead and delete this so it looks a little cleaner. But again, respected it. It's a zone, so respected. This is just a flash sale, so I'm not going to count this because it dropped significantly. But it's respecting it. So, and when these setups occur, it is 80% likely to go to the downside. This is a descending triangle, but it's also 20% likely to go in the upside. So again, we really don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. And I personally don't like trading everything off one technical pattern. Like, oh, one technical pattern. Okay, this is going to go down, so I'm going to trade it once it breaks this orange line. I'm going to go short. But that's not how I like. Because what if it just goes sideways, breaks above this? Like, oh, I'm not going to go long because then it could just take a long and then break. How I would play this, if it goes short, I'll wait for it to come down, retest, wait for this 21 EMA to kind of wait for it to bounce off the 21 EMA, and that's when I would go short. And same for the upside. What you got to do is you have to wait for it to actually break this trend line, find support, and actually close above this 21 EMA. Once a candle closes above the 21 EMA, then I can be confident that we are going to be in an uptrend on the daily chart. Sorry, I should have zoomed in on the weekly chart. Talked about it. We are below the 21 EMA currently, so it's not looking good at all. I'm actually gonna, can I make this a little bit bigger? Precision by default, it's all good. But again, we are below it. I would like to break that, and again, that's on. I'm actually gonna, oh, excuse me, let's just go ahead and change this guy to the weekly time frame. Again, we are below it, and again, that would be perfect if we actually, it's not really respecting this 21 EMA. We don't like to see that. We want it to be respecting the technicals. So again, I wouldn't use this 21 EMA in this pattern until it respects it. Like, again, it's not really, again, this is on the daily chart. So again, it's not it's not working super well. But what we really need to look for is this break of this trend. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Looking for that 4th touch breakout. Looking forward to touch this and come test and before we go. And that is a good price target that I have for it. And we're going to have, excuse me, guys. We're going to have some price targets here. A price target here, here, and the all-time high. So we have multiple resistance points that we got to watch out for. And again, from here, this is a 100% run. So this is a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the ones that aren't as, this one's going to slide up just a little bit. That aren't as important. The ones that aren't as, down per se, I should say. I'm going to actually kind of converge some of these, bring this down a little bit. Yeah, so these are the main take profits if you take this trade, and the main resistance points that we're going to think. So let's say, and again, there's always a trick. Smart money leaves the market early. So let's say we know it's going to come up to this price level. So what we're going to do? Why would you wait for it to come up there when you don't even know if it's going to hit that? If that's a strong resistance and we break, find support. This is where you buy. You buy in down here. Your stop loss is below this orange line. So why would you take your profit as it's coming up? Why would you take it right here? Because smart money leaves the market right here. They leave earlier before. They leave or closer, however you want. However, you have to really play around with your strategy and how early you want to take it. You can always wait. And again, you have to focus with taking profits. So as soon as it goes in my direction, let's say if I'm taking stocks, let's say I risk 5 cents for this trade. At 10 cents, so I have a 2-to-1 ratio, at 10 cents, I'm going to take half of my profits. So maybe that's right here. And then I move my stop up to break even, or potentially even higher, like below some support levels. And then, so this is my entry, but we can go delete. So I have my stop loss, where the current price is, and you can continue to go. Or your take profit, since it continues to go up, why don't you keep moving your stop loss up, 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 just in case you might get stopped out. But again, then you can take maybe another quarter of your right before and then let it run until you get stopped out. So that is personally how I like to trade and how you should take your trades if you are actually waiting in the market to perform just a trade. But again, we have no idea where this is going to go. So you always have to wait for that confirmed move to the upside or downside. It doesn't matter. But we have a lot of resistance coming our way. We have some long-term support at around 15 cents, around 16 cents actually. We have some more at 11.2. Obviously, some more at, oh fuck, excuse me, Alt H with some more here. Again, I'm just labeling some support levels. I'm actually not going to do this because I don't think it'll come down this low. Maybe a 5 cents, not even 5 cents. It won't come down that low, but it's possible. I'm not saying it's not. I'm not saying it's not impossible. It can always come lower. If you think it can't, someone's been telling you wrong. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, and if you're still, just subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're at the end of this video, it means the world. It's just awesome. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the new intro. I personally love it, and I've been implementing it now. It will be in my videos now from now on, even though it takes a little bit longer. Makes it clean, and over time the videos will get better and better and better. And I'm currently trying to fix out my mic because I don't think my mic sounds the best. And I want it to sound crystal clear for you guys. So we'll see how it is. Love y'all. Peace.